Hi everyone, Namaste. So this is a lip swatch video. That's why again I'm doing it outside my home to show you the actual color. So I'll be reviewing and swatching the lipstick from L'Oreal Star Collection Red Lipstick. So I have 4 of these lipsticks and I know these lipsticks are very old in the market now. I got these lipstick in 2015. But I'm reviewing and swatching right now because I was not on YouTube that time, so I thought to review and swatch it for you just to show you that how it looks on my skin tone. So these lipsticks are easily available in the drugstore and even online. और ऑनलाइन तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट पे भी मिल जाती है, बट व्हेन आई बाय दिस लिपस्टिक फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम अ ड्रग स्टोर. सो इट कॉस्टेड मी फॉर $9.95 फॉर जस्ट अ मिनट. हाउ मच? It costed me $9.95 for this is I don't know how much product is inside this, how many grams. So I think these lipsticks are quite expensive for a drugstore brand. It cost around 1,000 rupees, that is $9.95. But discounts are always available online, so you can buy it for like 700 to 750 also on Nykaa and even on Amazon. So my first purchase was for $9.95. Rest the 3 lipsticks I got on discount, like for 800 or 700, 750. So yeah, I have 4 of these lipsticks and right now I'm wearing this shade Vermeil and this is how it looks on me. और ये I think this is by the Fan Bingbing. I think it's her color. And about these lipsticks, I also want to tell you that these lipsticks are can bleed, it can spread out, and these are little sticky also. These are not completely matte like the matte lipsticks in MAC. So I think it is the right amount of matte in it. You don't need to apply a lip balm or it doesn't even look that creamy on your lips. So it is the perfect matte, but I think that it bleeds a lot. Like after a few hours it starts spreading around my lips, so you will be needing a lip liner for this. So this is how it looks. I have used this one quite a lot. This was my favorite color. That's why I got this for the first time. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And then after finding the quality of the lipstick so good, I prefer to buy 3 more in this range, and this is how it looks on my hand. And it's looking a little dark on my lips because I have applied it I think 3 times on my lips, so it's looking a little brighter on my lips. And by the way, this is my favorite in this collection, but the only drawback of this lipstick is that it is so expensive for a drugstore brand and it bleeds a lot and it transfers a lot. Like you have to reapply it after every 2 hours or even 1 hour also. I have to apply it like after every 1.5 hours and it bleeds a lot. So after 2 or 3 hours I start looking like a monkey because all of the lipstick spreads around my lip area. So the second lipstick I got was this shade Scarletto, Pure Scarletto, and this is by Blake. So this is also very similar to the Vermeil shade, but I think this has more yellow undertones and the Vermeil has blue and pink undertones in it. It is more a pinkish red and it is, I don't know, yellowish red. So I'll apply this lipstick. So even this shade, the Scarletto shade, also looks very nice on me, and it is going to look very good on every skin tone, especially on Indian skin tone. It is the perfect kind of a red. This whole collection is perfect for every skin tone, what I believe, because all of the 4 shades which I have perfectly suits my skin tone. And this is how the hand swatch looks like. This is the Scarletto one. And I don't know, it is looking a little different on my lips because my hand color and my face color is different. बहुत good में है, बहुत good में है, बहुत. I'm doing it outside. बहुत good में है. So the third shade which I have is this one. This is by Frida and this is called Pure Rouge. and this shade also looks very nice on me, and it is very deep red. You can see how deep it is, how deep and dark red it is, and it looks very gorgeous on my lips. So this is how the shade Pure Rouge looks on me. It's a very deep dark red, and it is also going to look absolutely superb on every skin tone. And the last shade which I have is by Sonam, and this is Pure Garnet, and even this looks stunning on every skin tone. It is a very deep wine color, more on the magenta side, with pink undertones in it, and yeah, and it is absolutely perfect for every skin tone. And this is how the Pure Garnet shade looks on me, and it is going to look absolutely gorgeous on every girl, because it's a very deep color and very suitable for every skin tone. Especially it's very good, this whole collection is really good for Indian skin tone. Just a drawback is that it is very expensive for a drugstore brand, and it bleeds a lot. Like after every 1 or 2 hours you have to do the touch-ups, because it is very bleeding and it is very transferable. I know I'm not so excited and happy in this video because I am recording this outside my home and people are staring at me, so I'm feeling awkward and I'm sweating a lot because it's too hot outside. The time for the giveaway now. So I'll be giving away this lipstick by Blay, and this is in the shade Pure Scarletto. So I have not used this lipstick much. This much amount of lipstick is still left, and also with this I'll be giving away this mascara from Maybelline, the Falsies Volume Express Mascara. So you just have to comment down below that what you like about me, and like this video and follow me everywhere wherever I am on social media. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and at least think about my lips. इतना दर्द हो रहा है ये lip swatches करके और बार बार हटा के. So like it for my lips and for all the efforts what I have done for you, and please do subscribe my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.